Okay, now I'm going to take us through fast form. When you load into the screen, you'll get something similar to what you have on the screen here. Across the top, we have the next 3 races to jump. They will refresh, but they'll also stay on this screen there until a couple of minutes after a race is due to jump. You also have the date. Now we can look back historically on race days, and we typically have race data for the next day or 2 in advance. And for each day, you can choose from which track you wish to look at there as well. Couple of different options at the top here, detailed stats and hide maidens. We'll take a look at those in a moment. Now, if you click on a race here and the next to jump, it will take you straight to that race. So we'll do that now, Belmont Race 7 today, and you see it will load the detail of that race there. Now, if we wanted to firstly hide maidens, so if you select that checkbox there, and you'll see the race numbers disappear from your selections here, and if you clear that, they're added back in. Detailed stats, if you select detailed stats and then click a race number again, it will show you details within each of your data boxes here. So what we can see is Belmont Race 7, horse number 1, Play Dice. At the distance, it has a 20% strike rate, and from that, that's 5 starts, 1 win, and 1 minor place. So you can also click on a row here, and you'll see extended form information for the runners. So previous date, track, distance, etc., where they were in the run finish position, and you can also access where it's available audio or video of those runs as well, which is great if you're checking out form. Just click to close that. When you're in a race or have the race detail on your screen, you can also hit the SM button, speed map, which will load you the predicted speed map pattern for each race. Okay, now if we go back up to the top here, a couple other things to show you. You can hit the settings button here, which will load up the view manager, so you can choose which columns you want to display by default in your view. Great, especially if you're using a mobile. And there is another video there on how to use the view manager. And selections, and again we'll show you more about the selection manager later. However, if you click any selections that you want to track through your selection manager, track your bets, etc., you can also choose win units and place units that you might want to bet on, and hit the selections button, and you should see a message saying your selections are saved. And if you want to view summary for the day, the summary button will present what you have captured, and I've previously added preach to this menu there, and you can see the win units and place units that we've added against that runner. So that's just a quick run through on fast form. So there is the other screen, the other guides, excuse me, around how to use the selection manager and your settings to change your default view, and we'll cover that off shortly.